We packed coconut rice and lemon rice for the picnic lunch. Kids are ready to go. Oreo is curious about everything as usual. We planned for a picnic on a Saturday with the family. I found this place some years ago and I fell in love with it. Big Barn Farm is located near Bannerghatta National Park. The road that leads to it is also beautiful. I keep going this side for my cycle trips. As far as we experienced, they took care of safety precautions well for COVID situation. We reached to the Big Barn farm and we are heading towards the place. We reached there around lunchtime, so we decided to eat lunch first and then start the tour of the place. This time they sent individual guide for each family because of COVID reasons. Hi, sweetie.
Hi, girl. Hi.
ఓరియో ఓరియో స్మెల్ వస్తుందని ఓరియో స్మెల్ వస్తుందని
ఏదో నాటు కుక్కుందే
దాన్ని పట్టుకుని ఉంటుంది కదా.
Girl.
Rahul is filled with knowledge. Let me take you along.
And one queen it will shift. They will divide the workers and the soldiers to two parts, and one queen it will shift. So for this whole termite, there will be only one queen. And that particular queen, she can live up to 20 to 22 years.
Oh.
One queen. So this is the permanent house over here of a termites. And we do also have a rent house. Have you ever seen the rent house?
No, Trent House. Such a big one.
వేస్తుంది కదా.
I've seen.
They made their house in the tree. And they also be paying a rent for the tree. Can you guess how can they pay the rent for the tree?
Do they give like food to us?
Pollination and protection of the.
They will
So
share
protection.
the food to others.
No. So protection is the right answer. That's their own house. They'll be attacking
Oh,
this.
that's the payment.
By protecting themselves and the tree, they'll be paying a rent for the tree. And can you see these white layers?
Yeah.
So they are the saliva of
Saliva.
the ants.
So they stick them together.
So they work as a water resistant part. And even a heavy rain come, not even a drop of water, it will be going inside the nest. It will be built in such a manner.
Oh, nice.
And they are the red fire ants. They do bite really hard. Have you ever seen this fruit?
Nope. And
Is that the final fruit or is it small? Is it small?
It
or
is a final one.
final one. I've never seen them.
no.
So one of the very good medicinal plant and the fruit.
Okay.
So this particular fruit, they use it for cancer patients more.
Yeah.
So have you ever heard about noni? Noni. Nowadays you are getting advertisement called Amrut Noni and all for diabetes.
Okay.
So this is a plant called noni plant. So this is a noni fruit. So this particular fruit, they use it for the cancer patients more. How is when this turns into very old, very ripe, they'll pluck in that particular time. They'll make a juice out of it, and that juice will be feeded for the cancer patients just to cure the cancer.
Oh, okay.
You can also eat the raw fruit, but it tastes very bitter. After eating it, you not feel the other taste. So bitter.
Okay.
So have you been here for the last time?
Yeah. I have been here twice.
Nice.
I keep getting family members every time.
So this is the cow feeding area where we feed all the cows over here. So here we have 6 cows right now, and in the farm, including the calf, buffaloes, and the bulls,
What
we have
is
around
his name?
57 cows. So I don't know the name. We have lots of cows.
No names for
No
them.
names for them. Okay. In these cows, can you identify which is our Indian cow?
Ah.
All of them.
No, I think.
This one. This one. Yeah, it looks like.
Ah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks kind of Indian.
This one is Indian.
This one? The last one?
ఇవ్వు, అది అడుగుతుంది అంతసేపు ఆగొద్దు.
దానికి ఇస్తాను.
నా దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళిపోయామంటే ఇచ్చేసేయాలి, అది అడుగుతుంది కదా.
Is it named after
Ram.
This is one of the family of a sitafal.
Correct.
And this fruit, it should only be ripe in the tree. When it is ripe in the tree, it is edible one. So this is one of the prepared compost.
ఓకే
Prepared,
Okay.
fully prepared one. But we'll have to just filter better. You can check. So that is not a sand, it is full of dung. of
డంగ్
the earthworm.
యా 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 ఏం కాదు కిక్కి ఏం కాదు ఊరికే చూడు ఊరికే చూడు
You should not be scared.
మరి ఏం చెయ్యదు
ఇది ఫార్మర్స్ బెస్ట్ ఫ్రెండ్ అంటారు తెలుసా
నువ్వు పట్టుకోవద్దురా
So
అసలు ఏం చేయదు
ఏం కాదు విను సరే
Come here.
ఏం కాదు
సరే విను
ఏం
you should
కాదు
not cry.
డోంట్
Okay,
టచ్ ఇట్స్
it.
ఓకే
Don't
డోంట్
touch.
టచ్ చూడు
Just
అంతే
విను.
దా డోంట్ టచ్ చూడు
So this is a vermicompost area. So here we prepare our own compost. How is in these pits? So in these pits, we'll dump all the waste leaves, vegetable peels, paper bags, cow dung, and we'll water it for 1 or 2 weeks. After that, we'll
Every
mix
day
all
watering?
together. Every day.
ఓకే
And after that, we'll mix all together and we'll do like this. And after it is done, after mixing is done, so we leave this earthworm on top of them.
ఓకే
Earthworms, what they do is they'll be eating everything, whatever they have. At the same time, whatever they eat, they release.
దే రిలీజ్ యా యా
And in the end, what you are getting a compost, right? That is the thing, like dried leaves,
Leaves, everything.
paper bags, and vegetable peels, cow dung, everything it will take. And at the same time, they release it. Whatever they eat, at the same time they release it. They make it potty. And to eat all those stuffs, they'll take around 4 to 5 weeks.
వీక్స్ ఓకే
Weeks.
సో అంటిల్ దెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ కెప్ట్ లైక్
It's
దట్
kept like that.
ఓకే
And in the end, you are getting a compost, right? They are all the dungs of the earthworms. So in the end, we'll dump all together over here, and with that filter, we'll filter it like all the uneaten stuff one side and earthworms on the one side. And earthworms, we'll leave it for the other pits. It will not be wasted. So can you guess how many hearts are there for one single earthworm? Hearts.
ఓన్లీ
How
వన్
many hearts you have?
one?
One.
దే ఆల్సో హ్యావ్ వన్
Can you guess? No. They have more.
ఓ
Eight. They don't have any heart.
They do have hearts.
ఐ డోంట్ నో
Can you guess?
I don't think they have.
అదే
So earthworms, they'll be having 4 to 5 hearts.
ఓ
4 to 5.
I think they
13
live for
different
more
compartments, they have 4 to 5 hearts. And that's why even though if you cut them in 2 pieces,
They'll
not
survive
die.
again.
They can regenerate their head again. They can live again. They'll not die. You want to try?
హోల్డ్
They won't
want to
resist
hold?
it. I'll give you one. Give your hand.
I'm gonna run out of it.
ఏం చూడు వాడు కూడా వాడు పట్టుకుంది.
హే నైస్ ఒక ఫోటో తీరా
See, you should not be scared of these.
ఏం చేయదు
తీరా తీరా తీరా
ఉండదు
యా యా బోత్ సైడ్స్ యా యా దగ్గర నుంచి మంచి క్లోజ్అప్ లో దిగి
ఏం చేస్తుందిరా
Okay, don't hold in your hand. Try to touch and feel them.
ఊరికే పైనుంచి ఏం కాదు ఏం కాలేదు అయిపోయింది కదా పట్టుకో ఏం కాదే ఊరికే టచ్ చేయి ఇట్లా అంతే
చూడు
అటు చూడు ఎంత బాగా పెట్టుకున్నాడు
ఓకే సరేలే
No? That's why she's also scared.
అదే భలే ఉన్నాయి కదా ఇది సపోటా చూడు
Sapota.
సపోటా చెట్టు ఇవన్నీ సపోటా
Oh, a bird and follow చేసింది.
They'll call this tree as a ghost tree.
యా ఐ నో Yeah, I know. If there is a nail on it and all, some stories I heard.
They call the banyan.
Even the banyan.
Even that. But this one is the major
Usually they call this tree as a ghost tree.
ghost. Correct.
Yes, why they do call this as a ghost tree?
No. Yeah, maybe. I have no idea.
Do you believe in ghosts?
No.
Yes, I do.
No.
Okay, but I don't. The scientific reason is why they'll call this tree as a ghost tree is in the daytime, this tree it releases only 5% of oxygen in daytime.
Okay.
In the night time, it releases the carbon dioxide, which is very bad for the health. If there is any house near this particular tree and that particular person has any breathing problem, he'll feel like choke and he'll die.
That's why. Okay.
That's why they'll call this tree as a ghost tree. And you can also identify the trees which gives less oxygen by their fruit or vegetable. Whichever fruit or vegetable tastes sour or gives vitamin C, that particular tree will give very less oxygen.
Oh.
Then this is
Lemon, orange, all those also?
amla.
Lemon, fine, like a lemon which gives less oxygen, but not the orange.
Okay.
So why they'll call this as ghost is it releases the carbon dioxide in the night time.
Okay, okay.
None of the trees which releases the carbon dioxide.
Okay, okay. Nice.
That's why they'll call this as ghost tree.
Ghost tree. There it is.
So even this is our Indian cow.
Yeah.
So this is called as Ongol.
Ongol Gitta.
From Andhra Pradesh.
Yeah.
A place called Ongol, they are from there.
చాలా calm గా ఉన్నట్టుంది.
This one is another breed, right?
Yes. Even this is our Indian cow.
Okay.
This is called as Gir cow.
Gir.
Oh, Gir forest.
Yes. Gir are basically from the Gir forest of Shishma.
Yeah, I read that.
Yeah. ఇంత ఇది చూసా ఎలా కూర్చున్నాడు ఇట్లా ఫుల్ ఇట్లా మంచి మరి
So these
Let's-
was a little scared ones.
ఓకే బ్యాక్ నానా ఇట్రా రవి ఇట్రా ఇక్కడి నుంచి గో కింద చూసి కిక్కి పార్టీ ఉంది ఓ
So she loves petting. If you rub the face like this, it will put the neck out. and
ఇంకా
it will tell you-
చేపించుకుంటుంది
కొంచెం స్పాంజ్ ఉంది ఇక్కడ.
చుగు
He likes
ఓరియో లాగా
ఓరియా చూడు నాకు నచ్చుతుంది దానికి. ఇట్స్ జస్ట్ అ బేబీ నా.
ఇది చూడు ఇంత క్యూట్ ఉంది ఇది పోయి ఇక్కడ చూడు ఇది ఇంత చిట్టిగా ఉన్నాయి
అది చాలా క్యూట్ గా ఉంది.
అది చూడు 1-2 hours బ్యాకే పుట్టిందంట చూడు
హమ్మింగ్ బర్డ్.
Yes, hummingbird. So the full name of it, we'll call them as bee hummingbirds, and they are the only bird which can fly backwards. Reverse.
What are the birds do?
I think get you.
వాట్ డూ ద బర్డ్స్ డూ దే ఫ్లై అండ్ దే గో
They fly, they eat the cherries,
Yeah.
they eat the flowers.
దే టేక్ హనీ
They get honey.
హమ్మింగ్ బర్డ్
They get honey. Like, that's why bee humming.
యా
Yes, they eat the bees. And hummingbirds are not there in India. There are no hummingbirds in India.
సో వి సీ those small birds with big beaks what are
They are
those
the sunbirds. All birds flying around, calling twitch twitch. Yes, observe the twitch. They are here.
I see it. It's very tiny than hummingbird. Hummingbirds are not chinnadandi.
Hummingbirds are more smaller than them.
Oh, is it? Okay.
So did you saw the bird?
Yes.
That is our Indian smallest bird. We call them as flower peckers. Flower peckers. Our Indian smallest bird.
What about the duck? Will they do anything?
Don't go near them. If you go near them, they'll try to peck you.
ఓకే డోంట్ గో నియర్
అవన్నీ ఫుడ్
ఫిగ్
హ్యాంగ్ అవుతుంది చూడు ఫిక్స్ లాంటి ఫిక్స్ అది
These are the male tortoise.
మేల్ యా ఫీమేల్ వన్ విల్ బి ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్ దాని పక్కన ఉన్నది అట్ సైడ్ ఉంది అదిగో ఆ వైట్ కలర్లో అగో అవి దీని వెనకాల అది చూడు కళ్ళు మూసుకుంటుంది
వాదంటే దాని teeth చాలా
షార్ప్
like blades.
ఎంత బాగుంది దీని కాలు చూసావారా వెబ్డ్ ఫీట్ ఇది వెబ్ అంటే
స్విమ్ చేయడానికి యూజ్ హెల్ప్ అవుతుందని అట్లా అంటే
Frogs కూడా ఉంటాయి కదా.
Can you guess, is this a male or female?
Maybe females are white and
అట్లా కలర్తో ఏమి ఉండదురా
Nothing with the color.
yamma.
Male. Male? Female. Female. Okay. This is the male.
హౌ వాట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ దిస్
Male. Nothing with the face.
ఓకే
How you can identify the goose whether it's a male or female is by the stomach part.
ఓకే
So I'll give him back. For the males, it will be fully flat for the males. But for the females, over on the stomach, you can see the bump in the V shape.
ఓహో
For the females, just
Okay.
like this one.
యా ఫ్రెండ్స్
And even the walking style, males walk straight, but the female they walk slightly zigzag.
అది చూడు రెండు వచ్చినావా అని కలుస్తున్నాయి
చూడు అదేం చేస్తుంది.
దట్స్ ద ఫీమేల్ అదే
ద అదర్ వన్ ఈస్ ఫీమేల్
The which one is walking cross? Yes. Okay.
So, can you guess? Okay, have you seen the duck?
Yeah.
Yes.
డక్
Can you guess the fight difference between the goose and the duck?
Goose has long neck and duck has short.
Nice answer. Goose have a longer necks, ducks have very short necks.
Short of neck.
But they're
Foam.
usually same.
Same, similar size.
Similar, yeah. All these are goose then.
డక్స్ చిన్నగా ఉంటుంది.
Ah,
Nice answer. Sound.
sound.
Goose make hell of a noise, but ducks they make very less noise.
Ah, okay, okay.
3 more.
3 more.
3 more.
వింగ్స్ లో ఏమన్నా డిఫరెన్స్?
Wings.
Ah.
So wings will be
fly a
bigger for,
Bigger for
bigger for the goose,
Goose.
but shorter for the duck. But both of them can't fly.
Ah, yeah.
Only they'll take off.
Just.
Small take off. Last 2 more.
వీక్స్.
Beaks. Beak will be
Yeah, yeah.
flatter for the
Flat
duck.
and long.
sharp for
Yeah,
the-
yeah, yeah.
Last one.
ఫీట్ లో ఏమన్నా డిఫరెన్స్ అక్కడ? ఫీట్ సేమ్ ఉంటుంది అనుకుంటా. ఫీట్ విత్ వెబ్డ్.
సౌండ్ అయిపోయింది. ఇంకేముంటుంది?
Last one.
రెండు ఫ్లై చేయలేవు కదా.
Can't ducks fly high?
No, both of them will not fly.
కలర్ ఏం లేదురా, ఏదైనా ఉండొచ్చు.
స్విమ్ లేదంటే ఎలా ఉంటుందా?
అన్ని same ఏ వస్తాయి.
ఇటు వస్తున్నాయి, నిన్ను కొరుకుతాయి ఫస్ట్.
So the last thing is their head part.
క్రౌన్ టైప్.
Some we call them as knob part. That part it will not be there for the duck.
ఓకే. Yeah.
Among all these goose, there is only one duck in.
Yeah, I found it. I just saw that. That one.
Oh,
So this is the duck and they are the.
those are the goose. Oh.
Anybody wants to touch?
చెయ్యి.
Yeah, it's light. It's light.
Very less one.
Very light.
Yeah, giving the support is a good thing. What not only the use. So can you guess the lifespan of a rabbit? Lifespan. How many years can a rabbit live? 10 to 12. 10 to 12 is more. 7 to 8. So rabbits, they can live up to 1 to 2 years max. If you are petting them, if you are taking care of them properly, they can live up to 8 years. 10 to 8 years. So why the their lifetime is very lesser? They are breathing first thing. They breathe very fast. That's why the lifetime is very less. Second thing is they digest is different. So if you are leaving them as it is, they can live up. They're eating everything whatever like boiled eggs, biscuits, everything. But they can't digest all the things. Because of undigestedness, they can die. So if you are petting them, you will be knowing what to give for them. And in that process, they can live up to 8 years.
Yes, ready.
నువ్వేమో స్లీపు, నీ ధ్యాస అంతా దానిపైనే ఉంది.
అంటున్నారా రే?
అది అరుస్తుంది.
So this is the bigger one, and in this pond, can you see those buckets, right?
Yeah.
Just like those buckets, inside it we have around like 120, 127 buckets in there.
ఓకే.
And in each and every single bucket, they have one different species of lilies. Just like I told you about the tropical and hardy, right? Here, except that, including that, we have another 120 species of it.
ఓ 120.
Different species.
That's a lot.
కిక్కి మెల్లగా
ఫస్ట్ నువ్వు వెళ్ళిపోరా బాబు, తర్వాత
నిదానంగా
I'll go by myself.
జాగ్రత్త.
Where are the fishes now?
Come here, further.
లోపల ఉంటాయి.
Go little bit. Over there.
దూరం. ఇట్లా ఎసర్రా.
టొమాటో ప్లాంట్స్.
చూస్తున్నావా స్పీడీ? కదా బ్రింజాల్,
There are very big ones.
Trampoline was Kiki's favorite spot there. Everyone enjoyed to the fullest. We took a lot of pictures and started to home. Oreo, being an indie breed, was not allowed there. We kept him in a pet daycare for one day. We had so much fun in Big Barn Farm. It always made me feel different every time I went there. I think I went there twice before this, and I love the place, so I keep on taking my family whenever somebody comes over. So this day was amazing. I already changed into my home clothes. Now it's dinner time, so we are getting to that. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you want to visit Big Barn Farm, I'll leave their a Google link. You can just check them out. They are really good. They improved a lot from the time when I went for the first time. You can have a real fun picnic with your family there. You can visit the place for one day. I hope this video was fun to watch. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.